Alright guys, Bruce here from CellPro. We're just doing the diagnostic on this iPhone 12. It's boot looping. We either replace the battery or it's usually the front-facing proximity sensor and earpiece speaker that's causing the issue. In this case, we've already tried the battery. That's not what's causing it. So we're going to go ahead and show you what happens. This is the original proximity sensor. So as you can see, the phone's going to try and boot up and it's not going to be able to. There we go. So it's just going to continue to do that. So if we disconnect the battery, pop on a new front-facing camera and proximity sensor. Front-facing proximity sensor and earpiece speaker. Pop that bad boy on. And there you go. That's how you remedy that issue. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.